Hello everyone. In this video, we will understand how to use pivot table in Pandas. So basically what is pivot table? So let's understand that. A pivot table is an interactive way to quickly summarize large number of data. Okay, so it is used to summarize, sort, recognize, group, count, total or average the data stored in the table. Okay, so those who have already worked in Excel, they will be knowing what the pivot table is. So let's understand how to use it in Pandas. Okay, so for using it in Pandas, we have taken a data set. Before taking data set, let's import the necessary libraries, that is Pandas and NumPy. And the data set that we have taken is from sklearn library. So from sklearn.datasets, we have taken autos dataset. So the data set is like based on the make, fuel type, number of dose, body style, mileage, power, price, all these input features. The target feature is the category, which category of vehicle it is. Okay, so let's understand how to analyze this data set using pivot table. Okay, so pivot table is available in Pandas library. Okay, so we have to write pd.pivot underscore table, then mention the data set, then values, index, columns, and aggregate function. So let's understand what are these things. So index and columns are the columns we will choose to describe the data, what columns and features we want to analyze. So for example, we have taken index as number of doors and columns as fuel type. Okay, so index means this will come number of doors. So we have basically two types of number of doors, two categories in it, 4 and 2. Fuel type, that is columns, that is fuel type. We have two fuel types, that is diesel and gas. So it will create table like this. Okay, and values is price. Okay, and we have taken aggregation function as mean. Okay, so what it will take, it will find out mean of this is this particular column. Okay, so it will take the mean of price. Okay, so now see how we'll study this. If the vehicle has 4 number of doors and it is a diesel type, average price, that is mean price, is this. If the vehicle has 4 number of doors and it is a gas type, the average price is this. Okay, if the number of doors are 2 and it is a diesel type, the price is this. And if it is number of doors are 2 and fuel type is gas, the prices, average prices of the vehicle is this. So like this, we can analyze the data, numerical data, categorical data in a better way using pivot table. Okay, so let's understand the second example. So in second example, we have taken city mileage. Okay, so based on number of doors and the fuel type, we will find out what is the average city mileage. So if the number of doors are 4 and it is a diesel type, average city mileage is 29.12. Okay, if the number of doors are 4 and it is a gas type, gas fuel type, the average city mileage is 24.39. So like this, we have analyzed what's the relationship between number of doors, fuel, and city mileage. Okay, so next we have find out the relationship between highway mileage. So in place of here city mileage, we are using highway mileage. Okay, so if the number of doors are 4, it is a diesel type vehicle. So highway mileage is 33.25, like this. Okay. Next example we have taken based on make and fuel type, what is the average price. Okay, so based on like if we have a Mercedes-Benz, so diesel category is the average price of diesel category Mercedes-Benz is this much, 28394, and average price if Mercedes-Benz and gas category is there, so it is 38900. So like this, we can analyze each and every make and fuel type. What is the average price based on the fuel type? Okay, so like this, pivot table are very helpful in analyzing the big data. So we'll explore more in next videos. Till then, bye-bye, take care.